Okay, so today is my anniversary, my 34th anniversary, and I got a new present. Well, I got several. One really cool watch from my kids. Very cool. Big, giant display. Waterproof. Really cool. I hit a button now. There it goes. That's it. Anyway, it's Pi Day, also my anniversary, 34 years today. My wife gave me a scarf. It's got fish on it. Hard to see, but they're there. So I got a nice scarf. And I got, this Hydrowave mini. So what we're going to do is put this on my sonar pod, which I think is going to fit just perfectly on my sonar pod. So, can't lose the pills. So, when you open this, the Hydrowave Mini for bass gives you instructions, and it runs off a 9-volt, although I'll be buying a 12-volt adapter. But right now, I'm going to open. Let's see. Point this down a bit. So I'm going to open this. Put in my 9-volt battery. Little Phillips screwdriver. Alright. Good. My 9-volt. I tested it. I put it to my tongue. So I got a good battery. Okay. And it's in. Before I seal it up, let's give it a test. The light. Volume up. Play. And it works. Okay, off. So, sound carries better in water. So, wonder what it would do to my goldfish. So, here we go. Put the screw back in. So, comes obviously the speaker end, which I just listened to. This one right here. It gives you a loop right here in order to strap it on a, if you got a transom or, your motor or anything. But I happen to have a sonar pod with a fish finder. Voila. In there. Now I've already mounted this, but if you notice, it's got strap holes right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strap this to it, just like that. It's going to be great. It'll be perfect. And since I didn't use the straps when I got my Garmin, I got this really good, strong strap. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to strap it to my transducer. Switch down again. Speaker down, obviously. All right. Okay, I've come into a problem. Because that doesn't pop out. Not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. So let's put that strap all the way through my transducer body. If I can. Oh. A little bit of water. Oh, I don't know. Left over from Friday's fishing trip. This will be fun to get that through. Got to bend it. Let's see if we can bend it more. Bend it even more. A good bend on it. Come on. That's the trick. So feeding it through when I've already mounted it. If it wasn't mounted and sealed in there, it'd be easier, but see it. There it is. And it's through. Woohoo! Alright, so now we take my speaker. We're going to thread it through the speaker's holes, slots. There it goes. All right, there we go. So you can see, sort of how I've got it. So feed that through. So we're going to cut that off. And that will hold that to that. That's pretty good, huh? It's like I plant it that way. And that comes up right like that. And we gotta cut that off. Wonder if I have scissors down here. I got this. That won't work. Scissors, snips, got a knife. That's really thick, but I'm getting halfway through. I want to cut the cord. Voila. Garbage. And that mounts my speaker with my transducer on the bottom of my sonar pod. Now I've got all this. So I can Velcro it right to the front. That's what I can do. That's what I'll do. Looks like it's got about 6-foot cord. So I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let's see. I'll put it up here. Turn it on. Okay. Hit play. That's the passive. I think. Let's see how to get it to the frenzy. There's two. Press the power button again. This is frenzy. This is frenzy, I'm sorry. Turn off this thing. Turn it up. That's frenzy. And this is passive, which we've already. Frenzy, play. Oh, this is frenzy. Supposedly this is the good one. All right, turn it off. So you heard it. I heard it. And a lot of pros use the Hydrowave on their boats. They made this mini one with just two sounds. They have the bigger ones for $400, you know, with lots of sounds. But this little one right here, you can turn it on. When you turn it on, okay, so it's on passive as its default. If I press it again, the power button, it'll go to frenzy. Then you got to play and pause, and you got your volume controls. So anyway, that's pretty cool. So next time I go out, booyah, we're gonna do something like that. Let's see. And from what I've seen on all the videos, it works. And it's just another thing to get them up off the bottom, get them towards your boat, and get them to bite. They don't recommend you have it on all the time. So turn it on, get them excited, then throw the bait out there. And so I'm going to Velcro this to my pod. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, we'll do a little wire management right now on it, and works out perfect. Just strapped right to my transducer, which is awesome. Okay, that works. And a zip tie. There you go. Wire management. Bam. We'll do that there. We'll probably just stick that right underneath there. Yeah, that works real good. Put another one. this way. Doesn't get in my way on my feet. Gotta love zip ties. Real simple. Alright, got those off. Snip them. And we are in like Flynn. Like that. Bam! And that, my friends, here's the instructions. Down there. It's the Hydrowave. Bam! I like that. Hydrowave. Oh, that way. Everything's backwards. They do make a 12-volt adapter, which I'll be getting. Just plugging in my 12-volt inside there, so I don't have to worry about the 9-volt all the time. And I hear the 9-volt's good for a couple days of solid use, so that's good. But 12 volts rechargeable, and it'll last forever. So, but electronic fish call. So, Hydrowave electronic fish call produces sounds to attract the fish. It's an evolution of fishing technology. The evolution of sound. Dun, dun, dun. So, awesome. Very cool. So I hope you guys, I can't wait to use it. I'll use it this week. And as soon as the weather clears up, because we're getting some storms here. And I'll get out there, and I got to catch some bass this month because I'm in a contest. So, all right, take care. Please subscribe, like below. And I can't wait to test this out on the water. And you've heard it. You've seen it. You've seen how I've got it hooked up. It has an electronics pod now. So it's not just sonar. It's an emission pod, too. Booyah. All right.